This line combines coil unwinding, straightening, controlled feeding, and inline sheet shearing. The strip forms a free loop. Confirm smooth curvature, adequate depth, and no contact with the floor. Before threading, center the strip on the guides. The material should enter flat, without twist or persistent pull to either side. The strip crosses the support table beneath the hold-down assembly, while side guides keep it square. The local panel coordinates feed and cutting. Operate it only under the approved machine procedure. Rollers support the sheet at the shear inlet. Keep hands outside the guarded pinch and cutting zones. When the selected length is reached, feeding pauses and the cutting cycle separates a blank before the next advance. A normal blank stays centered and clears the blade area without catching, lifting, or skewing. Repeated cycles link feeding, hold down, cutting, and discharge. This video does not verify length accuracy. Moving drive components sit inside the lower frame. Keep guards and access restrictions in place. Before production, verify material cut length, alignment, air supply, guarding, emergency stops, and approved settings. Measure trial blanks and inspect cut edges. Isolate all energy before mechanical adjustment.